Yes, I.
Barry G, the boogeyman.
Yes, I.
Barry G, the boogeyman.
Yes, I.
Welcome to Barry G Show. Barry G the Boogeyman. Over 60 years and I'm still in the business. Last night I was saying to Jessette, I said, Jessette, I was on her last night like oxtail gravy over rice. You hear what I say, Natalie? You hear what I say? I was over Jessette last night like oxtail gravy over rice. You have some of them young boys nowadays, them go over girl house and them sleep and them fall asleep. But me, after 4 hours and I'm still going.
Naturally, somebody's knocking on my door with attitude. Oh, yeah.
Busy signal. Wait. Busy signal real name is Rihanna Devon Garden.
One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, baby, give me one more night.
Brainstorm. Did Busy say, baby, man named Bang one word?
Yes, I.
Barry G, the boogeyman.
Natalie, did I tell you that I am on TikTok? I am on TikTok now. There's some breeder things going on over there on TikTok, you know, Natalie. You know what this means? It's pure at that over on TikTok, you know, Natalie. Oh gosh. I tell Joseph not to go over on TikTok, you know, because I don't like go over TikTok, look at that. But I am over on TikTok now. I have followers. It's Barry G. Over 100 years.
Yes, I.